a hard 3, and a couple other pieces. How do you do? I'm the mainly digger. I just did the guns. I am doing another product review. I just bought a snorkel, a full face snorkel. So I didn't know a lot. I just saw it online. And I thought it'd be cool. I don't even know how to say it. It's K-Song, so Q-I-I-N-G, song. I've looked online. I've looked at YouTube to see how they say it, and they say K-Song. Yeah, no, manual doesn't even have it on there. So, kind of scary. Anyway, I bought this face mask because it looks cool, and B, because it had a GoPro mount on top of it, so I could go snorkeling and metal detecting. If you've never watched my channel before, I go metal detecting a lot, and I want to start going into the lakes of Maine. Maine has so many lakes, and there's so much history in those lakes. There's so much down there, just in general. Maine's gorgeous. The lakes in Maine are gorgeous. But what I'm getting at is snorkeling is the next step in my metal detecting process. I have grown up in Maine, which means I have grown up on the lakes and the ponds and the waterways of Maine. I didn't have a snorkel as a kid, and I would do this stuff anyway. So this is kind of fun to me. One of the biggest warnings that I got from these masks, from the full face mask, is because there is more space, and I'm probably not describing this as best as someone who knows what they're talking about should. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just bought this offline, and I'm so excited to use it. Is that the oxygen, the CO2 levels? There's a possibility in the cheaper masks that you will have issues with the CO2 levels. So, because there's more space in the mask. I don't really know. Also, they said diving up to 20 feet is an issue because of the way it fits on your face. It's tight, and the water pressure. I could see that, and I understand that. I'm not diving 20 feet. I'm talking about maybe my Garrett goes up to 10 feet, and that's it. That is my goal. That is my hit line. I'm not a professional. I just like to go in the water and be able to breathe, which leads us to another reason why I bought this mask, and it is for the snorkel itself. Normal snorkels go on the side and come up. This goes off the top, like a dolphin or whatever you want to compare it to. It goes off the top. There's a seal on it, so when you go under, the water doesn't seep into the snorkel. And I just wanted to see and test this stuff out. It looked cool. It's new gear to me, so mainly dig out. Watch my video. So I'm unbagging the full face snorkel mask. It came in a box, and I can't pull this out. The actual mask is in bubble wrap, which is awesome. And it comes with a manual. Very cool. Very cool. There's not a lot of parts. There's the mask. So there are very few pieces to the full face mask. Like 3, maybe 4. I'd say 3. A hard 3 and a couple other pieces. So you have the face mask, like I said before, which is cool. It looks cool. The snorkel, and that thing that you hear rattling is the buoyancy ball in the snorkel. And this is one of the reasons why, not the buoyancy ball, but one of the reasons why I bought this. There's a valve in here that stops the water from coming back in once you go under, which is really cool. And then this small piece, and this is, I might have stated it before, this is for the GoPro. And this is the main reason why I bought this snorkel, is because it had a GoPro mount. I have GoPro mounts that you can slap onto a mask or whatever. I'm not gonna do that. I'm afraid that stuff's gonna slip off. I don't know. So I had this. So I bought this. I'm gonna put this bad boy together. There's some other pieces too. Here's the GoPro bolt, screw, whatever you wanna call it. Some earplugs, some extra pieces, some extra valves, which is good. This is a valve piece, very important, very important. So the first thing you're gonna do, or I would do, that I would suggest, is make sure you have a manual. Like I said, very important. There's a manual here. So I'm gonna pick up the mask and I'm gonna look inside it. I'm gonna make sure the valves are there. They are already in place. You can see one right there. That is awesome, very important. There's another valve right here and another valve right here. It's my personal thing. Military gas mask, I always take the valves. And there's, like I said, there's extra valves in here. Make sure you have the valves. Priority, make sure you have the valves. Make sure they're on. Or they're on so make sure you have them, is what I'm saying. I said that like 3 times. It's important, keep that in mind. So, and follow the steps. I've read the steps like 3 times. I'm probably still gonna screw this up and have extra pieces. That's just how I go. Anyway, so we start off with the mount, or the face mask, and then the snorkel. You can see there is a clip right there. And you see this. This slides on. We forgot a part. So the next step is you're gonna slide the GoPro mount over this part of the piece of the full face mask. It slides right over there, easy as whatever, it's just easy. So, and then you take this piece, which you can see the clip here, and you can see where it clips in. You're gonna slide it in there. Probably not gonna, oh, it did work for me. There we go. And you're gonna hear it clip. It's nice and tight, it's not pulling out. There you go, bam. It doesn't move, and you have the GoPro clip right there. So this is the second unboxing of my GoPro mount, one of my GoPro mounts. There's a lens cleaner, and here is the mount. I bought this to go underwater. The GoPro, as everybody knows, is waterproof, but the screens, I'm worried about the screens getting scratched, and this is a protective layer against those getting scratched. And I don't have to take it off anything. Once I put it on the mask, I don't have to take it off at all. I can leave this mount mounted to this, mounted to the mask, which is awesome. So, score for the manly digger. So as you can see, I have my beloved GoPro encased in this case. There we go. The screen is covered. I'm gonna peel this off, and it is unboxed officially. It just looks cool. I feel safe with it now. I love my GoPro. So I'm gonna attach it to the mask, and you will see. So the GoPro is officially attached. The mount is on there. It is mounted on there. This came with the face mask, this little, whatever you want to call it, it's right there. It is on, it is secured, and it came with the GoPro, or it came with the mask. So, next thing you want to do to get this fitted correctly, and I've already done it, is you see these right here. Make sure you get the right size mask. I got a large because I got a big face and I got a big head. So my biggest concern is it wasn't going to fit. Even the largest sometimes don't fit because Got a big face and a big head. So, but it does fit. I made sure, I checked. So you're gonna loosen everything up. Loosen everything up. And then you're gonna put it on.
And then you're gonna check the seal and push it out. You probably cannot hear me right now, but whatever. So I push the seal all the way out so it makes a good fit around my face. And then I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit, just a little bit, just so it makes a good seal. Because once you do that, if you do it too tight and you need to take it off, because the oxygen level or CO2 level or whatever, you need to take it off fast, but you need that seal there too, so it's kind of a 50-50. So I am not dead yet, which is awesome, so I'm taking it off.
So I can definitely see, I'm still talking really loud, where the oxygen level or the CO2 level fills up or gets in there. You just need to, you need to breathe is what you need to do. You need to push that out. If you're feeling lightheaded, take it off. Get to the, obviously get to the top, get to the, out of water and take it off and breathe. But it was, it seems to be like a good piece of equipment. My opinion might change when I actually use it, which I plan on using it. The water's warming up in me and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to go and get some good, amazing GoPro footage, find some stuff, do all the adventure stuff I want to do. That's why I bought it. Mainly dig out.